Hey everyone, Spencer here from Rainforest Plumbing and Air. If you've got a mini split air conditioner or you're thinking about getting one, this video is for you. Today we're breaking down what you need to know to keep your mini split system running smoothly and efficiently all year long. Mini splits are great solutions for spaces like sunrooms, garages, or even detached offices, anywhere that central air might not reach. They're super efficient and give you precise control, but just like any HVAC system, they need regular maintenance. Here are a few common issues to look out for. Weak cooling could mean a dirty coil or low refrigerant. Weird noises might be a fan motor issue. Ice buildup on the coils or water leaks can also signal a problem, especially if the drain line is clogged or the system wasn't installed correctly. Now the good news, a lot of mini split maintenance you can actually do yourself. Things like cleaning the outdoor unit or wiping down the interior, checking for leaks or signs of damage, and even cleaning out the condensate drain with a shop vac. Doing these things regularly helps improve your unit's efficiency, extends its lifespan, and keeps your air quality in check. But for more in-depth maintenance, or if you run into anything weird, it's smart to have a pro take a look. We've been working on mini splits here at Rainforest for over 25 years, and we know how to spot small issues before they become big ones. So show your mini split some love. It'll pay you back with comfort, efficiency, and fewer headaches down the road. If you've got questions or want expert help, visit askrain.com. We've got answers, tips, and easy ways to book service. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.